Just like your smartphone combines your apps, games, and media, Keyport combines your keys, everyday carry tools, and smart tech into the ultimate everyday multi-tool you will use dozens of times a day, every single day.
I've been designing multi-key devices for over 10 years. Today, I'm proud to introduce two new Keyports with more multi-tool and tech features than ever before. The Keyport Slide 3.0, which works with our patented key blades, and the Keyport Pivot, based on some of my original designs from over a decade ago, works with your existing keys. Both new products are all metal and engineered to accept our brand new multi-tool and tech features such as the Bluetooth locator, knife blade, and LED flashlight. Each device is totally customizable for any type of user.
Keyport's mission is to create a system that allows each user to consolidate and customize their own unique set of tools and keys for everyday life. We try to integrate customer feedback into everything we do. The features in our new products are a direct result of our customers' requests. The Keyport Slide 3.0 is made of precision machined aircraft-grade aluminum with a spring steel frame. The ergonomic soft touch side plates are interchangeable with our new tech and tool modules. The Keyport keyblades and inserts slide in and out with your thumb as needed. Like the Slide, the Keyport Pivot is made of aircraft aluminum with stainless steel components and works with our new tech and tool modules. The flexible linkage allows the device to expand from 4 to 9 of your existing keys and various Keyport inserts. Our new low-profile lanyard attachment locks to the end cap when not in use. The biggest complaint about keys is losing them. The tracker-compatible Keyport locator is a Bluetooth low-energy, crowdsourced locator that helps you keep track of your Keyport at all times. Our most popular request from EDCers is the addition of a knife blade, so we partnered with Klecker Knives to develop our knife module. The Keyport knife provides a sturdy cutting blade that can easily be removed for airline travel, and then just as quickly reattached when you unpack your luggage. We're creating a partner platform for makers, students, and companies to create compatible modules for our products. We can't wait to see what you come up with. To top it off, we have upgraded our Lost and Found program. This new online Lost and Found service connects owners and finders directly and anonymously at a click, with no middleman or number to call. Once you register your Keyport with Keyport ID, you'll be able to use that same number on your other valuables such as your phone, laptop, and even your wallet. Such a service typically costs around $20 per year, but we're including the first year free with any Slide or Pivot reward.
Whether you slide or pivot, pledge today and help us put a Keyport in your pocket.